Hey everyone, and welcome to the Health Guide. I'm super excited to have you here today. In this video, we're diving headfirst into the world of gyms, specifically for total beginners. If you've ever felt intimidated walking into a gym or just didn't know where to start, you're in the right place. We're going to cover the essential do's and don'ts you absolutely need to know to kickstart your fitness journey and live a healthy life. We'll get you on the path to weight loss, getting fit, and staying healthy. This isn't just about exercise. It's about building a foundation for a healthier, longer life. So, buckle up because we're about to get started. All right, let's jump right into it. Number 1, setting goals and expectations. This is crucial. Before you even set foot in a gym, ask yourself, why am I doing this? What do I want to achieve? Whether it's weight loss, getting stronger, or just improving your overall health, having clear goals will keep you motivated. But, and this is important, be realistic. Don't expect to transform overnight. It's a journey, not a sprint. We're talking about building a healthy life here, not just a quick fix. Think about breaking down your big goal into smaller, more manageable steps. This helps you track your progress and celebrate those mini victories along the way. Also, consider writing down your goals. This makes them more concrete and helps you stay accountable. Number 2, choosing the right gym. Location, equipment, atmosphere, these all matter. You want a gym that's convenient for you, has the equipment you need, and where you feel comfortable. Many gyms offer free trials, so take advantage of those. It's a great way to try before you buy and see if it's the right fit for your Get Fit journey. Pay attention to the gym's hours and see if they align with your schedule. A gym that's open when you can go is key. Check if the gym offers any classes that might interest you. Group fitness can be a great way to stay motivated and try new things. Number 3, gearing up. This is simple but important. Comfortable workout clothes, supportive shoes, a water bottle, and a towel are your essentials. You want to feel good and be prepared to sweat a little. Choosing breathable fabrics can make your workouts much more comfortable. Don't forget to consider bringing headphones if you like to listen to music while you exercise. A small gym bag is also helpful for carrying all your essentials. Number 4, asking for help. Don't be shy. Gym staff are there to help. They can guide you through the equipment, create a basic workout plan, and teach you proper form, which is super important for preventing injuries. This is a big part of staying healthy and getting fit the right way. Don't hesitate to ask about introductory sessions with a trainer. They can personalize a plan for your specific needs. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Number 5, starting simple. Don't try to lift the heaviest weights on your first day. Start with lighter weights and focus on mastering proper technique. This will help you avoid injuries and build a solid foundation. Remember, it's about building a healthy life, not about showing off. Bodyweight exercises are a great way to begin and build strength before adding weights. Focus on learning the correct movement patterns before increasing the weight. This will set you up for success in the long run. Now, before we move on to the next set of tips, I want to ask you something. Are you enjoying this video so far? Are you finding this information helpful? If you are, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps support the channel and allows us to create more content like this for you. And if you've heard or done any of these things already, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Okay, let's continue. Number 6, being respectful. This is all about gym etiquette. Re-rack your weights, wipe down the equipment after you use it, and be mindful of other people's space. It's just common courtesy. Avoid using your phone excessively while occupying equipment. This allows others to use it too. Be mindful of noise levels, especially if you're using free weights. Number 7, not slamming weights. It's disruptive, it can damage the equipment, and honestly, it just looks a bit silly. There's no need for it. Lowering weights with control is much safer and more effective. It also helps you maintain better muscle engagement. Plus, it shows respect for the gym environment and other members. Number 8, focusing on form. I can't stress this enough. Proper form is absolutely crucial to prevent injuries and maximize your results. It's better to lift lighter weights with good form than heavy weights with bad form. We want you to stay healthy and get fit safely. consider watching videos or consulting with a trainer to learn proper form for different exercises. Using mirrors in the gym can also help you monitor your form. Remember, quality over quantity is key when it comes to lifting. Number 9, not lifting too heavy too soon. This ties in with focusing on form. Start light, gradually increase the weight as you get stronger, and listen to your body. This is a marathon, not a sprint. We're aiming for long-term weight loss and a healthy life. A good rule of thumb is to increase weight only when you can comfortably perform all your sets and reps with good form. Don't compare yourself to others in the gym. Everyone progresses at their own pace. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Number 10, listening to your body. Take rest days and don't push yourself to the point of pain. Your body needs time to recover and rebuild. This is a key part of staying healthy and preventing burnout. Remember, consistency is key to achieving your weight loss and fitness goals. Active recovery, like light walking or stretching, can help with muscle soreness. Getting enough sleep is also crucial for muscle recovery and overall health. Don't ignore any pain or discomfort. It's important to address any potential injuries early on. And speaking of healthy habits, nutrition plays a massive role in your fitness journey. Eating a balanced diet with enough protein is essential for muscle building and repair. Don't skip meals. Fuel your body for your workouts and recovery. Finding activities you enjoy is also important. If you enjoy your workouts, you're much more likely to stick with them. And finally, don't get discouraged. Building fitness takes time and consistency. Celebrate your small victories and keep pushing forward. You'll be well on your way to a healthy life. And one more thing, I've actually written an ebook called Healthy Eating on a Budget. It's packed with a 7-day meal plan featuring delicious, wallet-friendly recipes designed to help you nourish your body without breaking the bank. It covers breakfast, lunch, snacks, and dinner. Everything you need to make healthy eating easy, accessible, and enjoyable. And guess what? I'm giving it away for free to everyone who leaves a comment on this video. So be sure to leave a comment after watching. So, there you have it, your gym guide for total beginners. We've covered a lot of ground today, from setting goals and choosing the right gym to proper form, nutrition, and making it a habit. Now, I want to ask you, what are you waiting for? Are you ready to take control of your health and start your fitness journey? What's one thing you're going to implement from this video, starting today? I truly believe you have the power to transform your life. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the Health Guide for more tips and tricks on living a healthy life, achieving weight loss, and getting fit. Leave a comment below sharing your thoughts on this video. Remember that my ebook is free for everyone who leaves a comment. Also, activate those notifications so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. We post 6 days a week, so there's always something new to learn. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.